Alright, so in this video, I'm testing out my star mines, and we're going to be going through 3 different versions. The first version we're trying is with aluminum foil wadding. The second version we'll be trying is with no wadding at all, so just we put in everything loose. And then the last version is just the typical version we do with a tissue wadding. All of these tests will be done with 1.5 inch ABS pipes. And another goal of this video is to figure out how much granulated black powder I'll be using in grams. Alright, so as you can see, I ended up using around 12 grams inside of this mortar, which is what we'll be sticking with for the rest of the video. That's because last year I used around 4 scoops or spoonfuls of granulated black powder, so we'll be going with that measurement for this video. And remember that the way I make mine is that I crunch down my granulated black powder at the bottom. That way it has the most pop. That's what I found from last year. And as you can see, I just added in the 2 effects. Then for wadding, I'm getting a square of aluminum foil and crunching that in and then ramming it down to the bottom of the tube.
Rolling? Okay. Testing.
Gosh.
Oh. That was a failure. Flop.
Rolling.
Alright, test number 3. Alright, final test.
Alright, so after going through the 3 tests, I was actually quite surprised by the outcome. All 3 of them had barely any lift, and they're pretty quiet and didn't really go up in the air that much, which is not what I was looking for. So I had an idea that maybe it had something to do with the pipe diameter. So as you saw in my final test, I went ahead with a 1-inch diameter pipe, and the results were just so much better, which confirms that the granulated black powder was not like weak or anything. In this case, my powder was fine. The issue was the pipe diameter was too large, and I'm guessing it just made it difficult for the wadding to compact everything in. That's my best guess as of now for why the smaller pipe works so much better, because the wadding does feel a lot tighter when I put in a tissue and ram it down the 1-inch pipe. So for my next video, we're unfortunately going to have to retest all 3 types, but now with a 1-inch diameter pipe. So I'll have to test the aluminum foil wadding in a 1-inch diameter pipe. I'll test no wadding in the 1-inch diameter pipe, but I'm pretty sure that won't work. Then I'll probably do a control again, but if I'm low on materials, I'll probably not do a control. So we'll see how that goes. And then if any of you in the comments have any ideas for how I could make the 1.5-inch diameter pipe work, that would be awesome, because right now I have 8 mortars that are 1.5-inch diameter, and apparently none of those will work well. So if any of you know how to wad those better or something I'm doing wrong, feel free to make a comment below. So thanks for watching, and keep your eyes out for the next video.